Hey everybody, this is Avni. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be doing my most favorite part of the sketching, that is the eyes. And along with this, I am giving some tips and tricks also. So stick with me till the end, and if possible, grab your materials and start sketching with me. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe. Now let's start.
So today I will be sketching two different eyes, male and female. At first, I am making the reference line so that both the eyes will look similar and precise to the reference image. You can see that I am using my pencil to take the approximate measurements. After this, I am sketching the outline for the eyes and drawing it with minimum pressure so that I can rub it easily. You know what? One side is always going to be easier. Like I am right-handed, so for me, right side is easier, and I'm sure for people who are left-handed, it's easier to draw on the left side. So that's totally normal. Just double checking the measurements after a rough sketch so that I don't have to regret later. Now, I am erasing the reference line and the dark outline with the help of kneaded eraser. So, it's time to use charcoal. Starting with the soft charcoal pencil, I am making the area that are dark and then blend it with brush. Using hard charcoal pencil also for some mid-tone areas. Just removing the extra dark layer for the highlighted part that will be done properly at last. Now for the eyebrows, I am making a layer of charcoal powder and with the help of pencil making the hair for the same. Here is a close look so that you can see it easily how I am going to make it. Now I am blending it and with the help of kneaded eraser making some highlights in the brows. Now comes the detailing that obviously include making some highlights. At last, making the eyelashes with the help of soft charcoal pencil, just like shown in the video. With the same process, I am making the other eye. It's not easy to leave the space for the highlights while using charcoal, but you can try to apply less charcoal in that area, so that you can easily give the highlights with the help of eraser. And if it doesn't work out, then you can also use white gel pen for the same, but avoid using them and try to get the highlights with the eraser only. Honestly, I don't like to use them much. Making some small hair with the help of hard charcoal pencil so that it turn out to be light. Finally, our male eye is complete. Now comes the female eye. There is very minute difference in the gender eyes. Generally, female eyes look a little larger than male eyes and their brows are shaped and symmetrical. Male eyes have narrower appearance and the eyebrows are usually straighter and bushier than the female eyes. I completed making the outline for the eyes. Here showing you how I pick charcoal powder in my brushes. Just take a little of charcoal powder and dab it on the sandpaper to remove excess powder. Again using soft pencil for the dark areas and hard for some midtones. For the eyebrows, here I don't want to make it more dark, so I am not using charcoal powder for the base but directly making it with pencil as shown here. I am using hard charcoal pencil for the hair at the edges. Now shading the midtones and doing some highlights. Now making the above eyelashes with soft pencil and lower with hard because I want this to be look lighter. And also shading some midtone areas. This lower lid crease makes your eye look more lively and it look more finished. Now comes the other eye and repeating the process again. Friends, let me know in the comments below if my videos are helpful for you. Giving the highlights is my favorite thing to do, as it indicates me that my sketching is nearly completed. And here it is, are both the eyes.
So this is the eye sketching that we did today. And if you like my video and its content, then please like it and share it with your friends and family. And if you want me to make some videos of your choice, then please drop down in the comment section below. Thank you so much. See you soon.